Alright, what's going on everybody? My name is Matt Doheny. If you're new to my channel, I am a LA-based fashion photographer, and if you're a subscriber, welcome back. Love having you here. Today I'm going to help you try to find a little aesthetic, your style, and like how to bring your photography to life. The way I'm doing that today is by using my Instagram Save tab. I really love this feature. It allows me to collect images that I like a lot. So let me take you through it and show you a couple things that I have in here. Alright, here I am in my Save tab, and what I do is just grab images that grab me a little bit, you know what I mean? If we look at this image right here, I really liked the beauty of this shot, all the hair and the light, one light popping in, mostly lit from the front. So that's what drew me to that image. Now if we go to this image right here, I really liked the raw texture of the makeup or mud, whatever that is, on this girl's face with her beautiful blue eyes popping out. So I grabbed that one. This image right here, I really liked the rip in the seamless that they kind of had set up. They had this environment they created with foam core and seamlesses, so I grabbed that. The point of this is to find images that catch your attention, and it doesn't have to be the whole image. It can just be a little aspect of it. Like this image right here, I really loved the fact that her head was poking through the seamless and the seamless was ripped up and gritty. I thought that was really cool, as opposed to like a really nice cut, right? So I'm going to keep scrolling down. I really thought this was a great image, really creative. It's another seamless, but they made it look like a jacket, because they drew it on there, it looks like. So I thought that was really creative. The light's not my favorite. I'd do a little more spotty, but again, it doesn't have to be the whole image you like. It just has to be a little part of it. Am I right? Cool. So I'm going to keep scrolling down. I loved the light on this image. That was a really cool texture, I thought, on the body. However they did that was amazing. This image I love. It just shows like it's all monotoned in the outfit. I love the light, the punchiness of the light, and like the look of motion in it. This is a beautiful shot right here. I just thought it was like a natural lit beauty shot. I think that was really great. Let's go over even closer shot right there. So if you can kind of see what I'm doing here, I'm just kind of gathering images that I find pleasing to me. And so what I'll do when I go to create a new image, I'll go to this list and I'll pull out just a few aspects of a photo and another photo and blend them together, and then boom, you got your own photo. So let's say I wanted to start with this image right here, okay? Say I really love the light on this image, but I'm not a fan of the pose. I like the pose, but let's just, for argument's purposes, let's just say I really love the light. So I want to take this light. So I'm going to say I save this one, and then I'm going to find a pose somewhere I like. So let's say I like this image. So now I'm going to take that lighting with this pose, combine them together, and boom, I got a photograph that's now mine, because good artists don't borrow, they steal. And that's how it's been for years and years and years. So find things in other people's images that you like that you can bring into your own aesthetic. Let's do this again. Let's say I really like this out of focused, black and white, low depth of field, behind a piece of glass shot. But I don't necessarily like the pose. So let's take this guy and combine it with this pose. Now let's see if that comes together, if that works out. So again, find things in certain images that you like and just bring them together. Super easy. This shot, I loved the lines contrasting each other from left to right to up and down. I thought that was really powerful, really cool. So I'm definitely going to be doing this in the future. Just not really sure what yet. We'll find out eventually. So I can take this concept of using this chick with the stripes and replace it with this girl on the swing right here. So let's say I have the background with vertical lines and the model with horizontal lines on a swing. Boom, there you go. That's a great creative idea to put together. So what I want you guys to take away from this is find images that catch your eye. It doesn't have to be the whole image you like. Just find little things, save it, and then when you're going back to look for ideas to make a shoot, you have everything in your Save tab right here on Instagram. Again, my name is Matt Doheny. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. I post videos weekly, so if you're into that kind of thing, of course, subscribe to my channel and check back in as I continue to upload. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment, and I will get back to you personally, answer any questions you have. And thank you again for watching. I hope you guys all have a great day.